good morning, everyone. Well, I guess good afternoon. We are headed to DI to drop off those clothes or those blankets and stuff that we're gonna drop off Friday. We're doing it now. And then what are we doing, Gary?
So we live right at the base of the mountains along here, along the Wasatch Front, and so I have not taken Bree up there yet. So we're gonna go hit the dusty dirt road all the way to the top and kind of show her around my stomping grounds. So, and then if we're lucky, we might catch a storm coming in, and we might get some good footage. Looks like we got some clouds coming, but we'll see what we can get for you.
Let's go. Gary's gonna drive through this little area. Oh, that's a big puddle over there.
I got more.
I know, I was like, there's a huge one coming up.
never been in that deep of water. Truck. That's like all the Farmington Flats over there. That's what that all is. I'm loving it. Hey, night, y'all. So, as you saw, fantastic mountains here in Utah. Got to see what all the rainwater does for us up there. Plenty of green scenery for us to see. Plenty of puddles that we got to go through. One was pretty sketchy. We did not have it on film yet because we didn't have a way to get around it. But yeah, we was up to the door jams on that truck. And yeah, that was kind of a butt puckering moment. But I just kind of keep pushing and just hope for the best. Good thing there was no rocks in there to like hit a clunk us. But we came all the way back down.
Yeah, we had a good time. We got some McDonald's on our way home, and then just hung out. This guy's got an early day tomorrow, going to work, so he'll head out early. But shout out to
Robbie Layton. Thanks for the t-shirt.
We also have one from Matt's Off-Road Recovery, so hopefully we never run into those guys, as in we're stuck. So, but we had a great day. Thanks for joining us. Please hit that like and subscribe button. We'll see you later.